Hey everyone, welcome back. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Today we're focusing on showing you how we transform our outdoor space into an Alice in Wonderland theme party. You have all the different characters from Alice there. You have the Mad Hatter, Alice herself, the cat. So we're going to be showing you a lot of the decorations we're using and also how to set it up outside on your deck for an epic party. Here's a quick preview of all the items that we have purchased. Some of the items we have reused from our own home. However, most of the items we've actually purchased from outside, all the lettering, the decorations, especially for the Mad Hatter decorations, a lot of the signs as well. So let's go put it outside. We love using balloon garlands because they magnify the beauty of what you're doing, especially when you're doing Alice in Wonderland theme party. But also they bring out a lot of the colors and the decorations that we're using, especially when we needed the pink, the blue, the green. It was quite difficult to get it going and have it perfectly positioned, but we were able to get it, and really happy with the way that it looks. All right, so what we've done here is we've used a gold tablecloth and an accent gold cloth as well, with a white underlaying for the main table. That's where all the food and some of the decoration is going to go. And here we have party tea time. So obviously going along with the Alice in Wonderland tea party theme.
Okay guys, so here I've made a topiary little centerpiece. I'm not sure where I'm going to be keeping it, but basically I've taken these tissue papers and this plastic flamingo and I stuck it into the urn here. The second idea that we have is that we have these arrows. We'll be sticking them onto the piece of wood. Cute sayings: wrong way, tea party, go back, this way, and that way. Okay guys, so the third DIY is Alice's dress and going into the rabbit hole. So this is her skirt, and it's a quick and easy DIY, and this will be her legs to show that she's in the rabbit hole. So I'm just gonna put this together and we'll take it outside and show you the final setup.
Here's a beautiful sign my kids made. It says off with her gifts as opposed to off with their heads, just to give it a little bit of a twist. All right, so we have our beautiful finished product here. We have party tea time sign. We have all the different signs here, and we also have Alice going down the rabbit hole, and also we have the rabbit man himself. For the food, we did a little bit of different items for the food as well. We have donuts, we have croissants, we had a lot of cookies there, and we just kept it really light, but at the same time, a lot of different food and treats for the kids. As you can see, it was a great time that we had, and the weather was really nice as well. Okay, just wanted to give you another view from the top angle as well. So we also spread out the playing cards again to give it a little bit more of a original theme for the Alice in Wonderland, with all the different cards laid out. Again, you have the food, you have a bow ties there. They're handmade bow ties by my kids. My wife made fresh cookies as well. We have the donuts. And again, it was just an amazing time setting up everything, doing a lot of DIY crafts, baking, and just overall really setting it up and just having a lot of fun with the family and the kids. I hope you guys really liked it. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.